Bia Kamal Kanwar online TV channel to konka breaking news. A breaking news ame agwas mishikarabe shagat shakawang duel kel keshek mitekarunde jan ngwane de baro kan gato ka gadi tiene ban rachme ban jelinke do badana tuo ka rieko mekeja namaguro jeno de rande jeling ko de kon lat korodian la kana we la news kana kono de nar gangde ano kan ler dial ko la kon ga lingwas me do danan de rik de ka chonga je ke kwata kono to rikten ka jan ler kono ko linga gwas me lerum bej ko chelle to ko wang na gat karam kel mishik metekel kaka ban rocha me ban je linga gwa kan kono ni amre ler kana me mi jirame jidit gore ban wajin bijalani ko kien ka chuje pero jen obi subscribe Kanwar online TV channel gwas me ka jan lere me beje lat kenyam ka tungnat ka kore beje lat ye beje gwik kamende lat ka tuk English ko de rande ro kula kebaka ka kentuk dangro and breaking news me shalade nena karape te shek mitek run ti jan ngwani de baro kana ga dang diok kan ga da to ti gat kel te guru gada dawle te gurun diech gada dio dien te gurun baro en shegu mo kan ga dang diok ti shimai karaba kana mo shekanak shimai mo shekanak re wika South Sudan bana wika ten kon gwadana to gre ko moten bana shalad no en karaba no mo wanga duel gwas meteka gwich ke television alo gwichen ke TV ay kono no lagat no kan television la kana gwich en gwadam washu karaba shu dop shi dop ke je shwe duel shwe je wang en shege shi liu ka ga dang diokel jena wa let chi man gan alenigen ram let ching te gruni jen wan baro mnyu da gwan ram dit te gwikel kan ga dang diokot te tiende to te ram kel garuro ram kelun di ram kel run baro ke jen te gruni jen wan baro wa churi ko mo chu ka pene kan doran te keten man kana gwan gan shikan te shingan gwasma kan chala do shika jen man gan jen ponde wa chala jal dor mtie kaka dor mtie ka chik man la man ching la jen bolo dor dien le lo monka jo monko mo chagari ya ban pin kel ka jara madanen shiga chilo liu kel kana gat ka dang diok no gwan gan che jen chete re ching cho der shing bane lo taram te chinga ka kandang kandian na me jen duel dana chi wang duel gui kono me mi jini gui jen duel me nyu je gwan we bile na mene jen bile mandanen shi ga chikanak jen bile mandana chi wa mu nyu de gwan o mi gui kori gwada me ko la gui kana do badan bire ka je karabe beje pan karabe beje duno la mandan go dana to ka je la jang ai kan karabe ka juach beje lo karam joro te kep ka juai la mala wanga chang mu tot ko jena manyi jen shi mi de mal yen ke mi che dop ano yenje la kon ya ga kan meter ke point en man kwa la tar man la ya ga katen la meter mu kana kon gek la tele do mi mo de longa kep chong ba kon gek an den ba mai ba kule gujeno de je yen ano eneme tuogo kawa wari nen kon men yenen ken foliti shika folti lat shika telar ke korkorta kimun an mi cha wang ne mu jwaj mi da gwa an wena ran dere yigwe ka do badan mi tek dor tek karabe dere yigwe jeno yat ke jwaj kenen konte la mai la kana mala dop la ngwene dwel me dong te mi dwel mi tega kor ya da lel dong da kan che de pedone but na mo mi nen yana mo ke jwa chere bo mone cha ga dang de ko to ka jen che mo che ga nak ban lera ban jelin kel ke to English ka do bran chalat ke jam. A 47 years old woman and three children aged 2, 5 and 7 died in a ghastly fire after their house was set alight by an electric fall on Thursday evening in Wautown's Daraja suburb in western Bargazal state. Mohammed Isa Youssef, the deputy chief of the Zakawi tribe in Wautown, on behalf of the bereaved family, said that the deceased were watching television when the house caught fire. He explained that the woman who died with the children was a helper in the house, and the children's parents were not at home when the incident occurred. We really do not understand the cause of the fire, but it was related to an electric shock, he said. Their mother was at the house of a neighbor, and their father was also not at home. According to Asia, the fire brigade department was called, but they say they did not have fuel and did not come in time. He urged the state government and fire brigade to always be prepared to respond to such emergency incidents. Efforts to reach the police were futile. When you look at this incident without fire brigade interference, this fire could cause too much damage, like what you have seen here in this picture. The fire got this tukul, as you can see it here. Wanga dana ci wanga jandana ci tok anad let ke tubum bom to ci karaba ke de mal wang mo mi jen me ke ba randa ro ga ban me ke ba ni lo chu penejen la to ko be chieng ba jawang jen mo onyong maj ba man wang na lung shi bole jen tol le mi che ben la na la ka nega special guard tiene la roda gaba lo dien neme agenda na shoda lat and ban nyo jigala radian and biatemal bye bye.